This is Arthur Chambers. The man's escaped from psych.
Kitty is just bathing herself. I wish I would have caught the beginning, but that's okay. And here, this is really unusual. Oops, go ahead, Kitty. No, she just has like a little bit of a bright spot on one of her paws. And you see it's not really on her right leg, which she was just licking. It's not on her rear leg. Well, it's not on her rear left leg. But there's something that throws me off at times when she's sitting there and I see that little tuft of hair that's bright colored. And oops, empty pill bottles. But don't worry, they're all legal. And my cat cannot open them because she only has one front paw. No, and even if she had two paws, you would need opposable thumbs. And even humans can't open them half the time. Oh, and I had bought her a thin little collar that was only like a cord. And after a few days or a week of wearing it, she started scratching her neck, and I think it was starting to irritate her because it was so skinny. And so I put her old collar back on her, and she hasn't scratched her neck since. And so I wasted the money on the thin collar, but it's okay because Tori is worth it. Everything Tori does is worth it, except for puking on the bedroom floor, which is actually carpeting. Anyway, we're approaching the 3-minute mark, and I could make long videos. Okay, here's a perfect view. That line is almost perfect. And actually, I'm surprised. Oh, let's see what I gotta be careful for is that her tummy here is not too long, because I try to trim her long hair because she gets hairballs. Oh, she hears somebody at the front gate. Or wait, she might be going to her stash of food, or because I interrupted her, she might be jumping. Yep, alright, watch this. Very skilled. She's jumping to my computer chair. And it's actually a kind of challenging jump because she's going from here to there, and there's only like a kind of small window. But she loves that chair. Oh, and she loves her crotch. Anyway, I said we were going to quit at the 3-minute mark, and it's now 5 minutes. So just hit like if you actually watched even part of it. And if you hit like, that means you got to the 5-minute and 30-second mark. Otherwise, you wouldn't have heard the part about like. Okay, so sayonara. And besides, watching a cat lick its angina, oh, that's a heart attack. Anyway, bye.